I've developed a quick and easy method to make garden steps using bamboo that I'd like to share with you today. Hi, I'm Kevin LJ. I'm a New Zealander living in northern Thailand and I love to garden. Welcome to our Suansok Homestay YouTube channel. Our section is sloping and it's terraced. It used to be rice fields, so there's lots of contours. It's a bit of a slope. It's not terribly steep, but I need steps to help us get around a little bit more comfortably. One of the first things I did in the garden was to add in some steps in vital places, but I keep kind of discovering some more areas that would be convenient and safer if they had some steps. Occasionally I'll just hack some out and just dig them in, but yeah, they don't really last very long. And I've got some of these here beside my pizza oven. And as I've begun to make more use of the pizza oven, I'm using those steps a lot. And because I've just dug them out and put no supporting, reinforcing structure on them, they've deteriorated. So today I'm going to add some bamboo and some cement and make them so that they'll last a little bit longer. I've got this method tweaked a little bit. I've put some other steps in different parts of our section using the same method that I've kind of developed over time. Initially, I wasn't using the cement, I was just using bamboo, and it just doesn't last long enough when it's in contact with the wet earth. We get a reasonable amount of seepage, especially at this time of the year in the raining season when the rice is growing, and so the water really deteriorates the steps very, very quickly. And so I've added some cement in behind the bamboo, and this helps it last a lot longer. I put some up on the way that goes up to our family house a little while ago, and it makes it look a lot nicer and a lot more stable, and the bamboo will last longer. So the steps that I'm going to put in beside the pizza oven, they just need to be narrow. They're just for me to use as I need to get back to open and close the vent at the back of the oven, and so they don't need to be very wide, just functional. I've measured them to be about 40 centimetres. I'll cut my bamboo. I'll use a little bit of reinforcing to help them stay in place, and then I'll backfill behind the bamboo with cement, and this will give it a little bit more strength and reinforce it so that over time they'll last longer and stronger than if it was just using bamboo. I'm using some scrap pieces of fairly chunky bamboo that should last a while, and even when they deteriorate, it's pretty easy just to cut some more lengths in bamboo and replace these, and I've got them looking nice again. I've decided that this is a quick and easy way to make some steps in the garden. Previously, the first lots of steps that I've put in, there's some behind me here that I used the wrong kind of bricks and they're really deteriorating. I kind of patch those up every now and again. I've got some others that are lasting better, but I've still got a problem with water seepage coming underneath them and dislodging the bricks, and so every now and again I've got to keep just patching those up and patching those up. One day, eventually I get around to really digging it out and reinforcing it and replacing everything, but yeah, that's a bit big of a job for me at the moment, so it'll have to wait. So in the meantime, I'm just using this method with the bamboo and cement and a little bit of reinforcing to help me get the job done. So I hope you get some takeaways from it. If you've got some ideas that would help me improve this method, please let me know in the comments below. And thanks for watching another video from the Suansok Homestay YouTube channel.